This is a video we've been wanting to make for a really long time. This is our new 2004 Mazda RX8 drift car. But it was not easy getting here. 1 week ago, Emily showed me a listing of a 2004 RX8 that was posted locally only 2 hours prior. So we messaged a seller and hoped for the best. This is Steven, but we're gonna come back to him. We have built tons of cars. We actually have a few different builds going on right now, but both Emily and I really wanted to get into drifting. So 350Z, E46, RX8. Those are our good choices for a $5,000 budget that we set. Fast forward a few weeks, a few sketchy sellers, and we finally found our next build. Steven replied, we got to test drive the car that night. He actually accepted our $4,000 offer, but after leaving, we decided to actually offer him $4,200 if he gets a car to pass smog for us, and then we would pick it up on Friday. We're anxiously awaiting going to pick up the new car, but we have to go to work first, so.
And he has to smog it.
And this is where the problem started happening.
This is probably the nicest running RX8 I've seen. The numbers are amazing. And I said, so why can't you pass it? And he goes, because it's not the OEM California.
Hello?
Hey, you got a sec? So, basically the cat that he ordered is aftermarket.
Okay.
So it won't pass visual, but it'll pass everything else. So he said it runs, the guy said it's the cleanest RX-8 he's ever seen go through smog. So it passes, but he won't pass it visually because it's not approved for California as per the sticker on it. So he said he has someone who will pass it visually, or we can basically pick it up and
I'd let him do it.
yeah, just go do your thing, man. Let me know, and I'll be happy to help however I can.
Awesome, cool, man. Okay, you're give me about 20 minutes or so.
Bye.
My guy can't smog it because there's already sales twice from the first guy. So, I talked to my buddy. I'm gonna go drive down to LA tonight and grab his stock Cali converter and muscle out his RX8, and I'm gonna put it on mine tonight, and then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go back to that same guy's spot. He's only gonna charge me $40.
And now we have to wait until Saturday. All right, guys, day 6 of this weird adventure. Let's bring the car home. Steven said the car is 100% ours, so we're going to go get parts from the junkyard while he gets it smogged, gambling on this car passing smog.
He has your wheels.
Where is it? I think it has good taillights. Let's check.
Yeah, it has those clear ones.
Nice. check this out. This is legit. If you couldn't tell, it's purple and green because it's going for like a Joker vibe. So we got these bad boys right there. Okay, day 7. Oh, it's still there. Seven days later, exactly 1 week after Emily showed me that listing last Monday night, definitely a great choice for our new drift build. There's so much more coming on this Mazda RX8.